Today's video on GBPUSD is brought to you by Invest Social, a community where traders come together to share market insights, market updates, and also market strategy. It is not only for traders, it is also for analysts and developers. They come together to share an idea, come together to connect with traders of like-minded people. If you want to be part of this community, you can visit investsocial.com. So this community is good for traders, analysts, and also developers. And the amazing thing is that it has a section for any financial currency or pair you trade. It has a section for cryptocurrency, indices, index, and also forex. So it has with also commodities. So it has a section for every of these. You can be part of this by visiting the site. Starting with this trend, we are in an uptrend move. I've always established that fact and saying that whenever market is trending up, you want to trend with it. So basically, you want to know your trend, then you want to trade with the trend. That is the first thing. First thing, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. As we all can see, this is our high and this is our higher low, which is our pullback. This is also the new higher high, and here comes the higher low, which is the pullback level. Now, markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high, which took out this previous high. Now we are to expect a pullback level. So a pullback is likely to play out anytime soon. That should now take us down to our 1 hour time frame. So we should expect it to at least come to a level of 1.34741. That is the level I will be expecting GBPUSD to drop to, which is a level of 1.34741. That is the level we should expect it to drop to. So a level of 1.34741. If markets can pull back and hit the level, then there's very much possibility that markets will eventually bounce up and push up, thereby continuing the movement to the upside on our GBPUSD. So what we can say is that GBPUSD is very much an uptrend move. It is very much the movement to the upside. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you visit investsocial.com to learn more, contribute, share your own strategy, also share your own updates and also market insights.